Hey guys, today we'll be going over how to cancel your Fortnite Crew package. So you can see the Fortnite Crew right here. You get 1,000 V-Bucks every month, you get a skin every season, and the Battle Pass every season for only 12 bucks a month. But let's say you want to cancel this, you want to cancel your subscription. You want to go to the epicgames.com website right here, then log into your account, press on account. Then you'll be sent to this page right here. You have to log in first, and then right here you want to scroll down to subscriptions. You want to go to subscriptions. You can see all of your subscriptions. Here you can see Fortnite Crew, and if you still have Fortnite Crew, you'll see a button right here to automatically cancel the Fortnite Crew the next time it would bill you on your payment account. So before it bills you the next time, it'll cancel automatically and you won't be billed on your payment account. And you can see the expiration date right here. If you want to get a refund, so if you don't just want to cancel it for the next month, if you want to get a full refund, we already went over this in another video. You want to message the epicgames.com support. You want to message to them that you want a refund, and then your refund will be sent to your account. Just make sure to message the support for your platform. So if you play on console, message the console support. If you play on PC, the PC support. You can see this in more detail in another video we did. You can't just cancel the Fortnite Crew in Fortnite.